Is it a zebra, maybe a giraffe that got lost in the forest? Or is it something else entirely? Picture this, an animal with the fashion sense of a zebra, a tongue that could give a giraffe a run for its money, and a diet of plants that would knock most creatures flat. This isn't some mythical beast. It's the Okapi, a true master of survival hiding out in the jungle, and its secrets are seriously wild. Deep in the super dense, steamy rainforests of the Democratic Republic of the Congo, especially the Ituri Forest, lives one of the planet's most mysterious and downright stunning mammals, the Okapi. People often call it the forest giraffe. And yup, it's the giraffe's only living relative. You can spot a few family resemblances, but the Okapi has carved out its own unique way of life in a tough neighborhood. This is no ordinary plant eater. The Okapi is like a living, breathing example of evolutionary genius, with some bizarre and brilliant tricks up his velvety sleeve to not just survive, but thrive. It's so good at staying hidden that Western scientists didn't even know it existed until the early 1900s, which earned it the cool nickname African unicorn. Today we're pulling back the leaves to check out the Okapi's wildest survival hacks, those amazing adaptations that make it a real rainforest champion. Get ready to see the Okapi like you've never seen it before. So how does a pretty big animal, we're talking 200 to 350 kilograms, just disappear into a dense, sun-dappled rainforest? The Okapi's first and probably most famous survival hack is all about its incredible coat. At first glance, you think those bold white stripes on his hindquarters and legs, set against a dark reddish-brown body, would scream, "Hey, look at me!" But in the flickering light of the rainforest floor, these markings are pure genius. It's a masterclass in something called disruptive coloration. Basically, the stripes break up the Okapi's outline, making it super hard for predators, mainly leopards, to see its actual shape against all the light and shadow. Think about sunlight filtering through leaves. That's exactly what the Okapi's coat imitates. From the front, its dark velvety fur helps it blend into the shadier spots. But from behind? Those stripes confuse the heck out of your eyes, making the animal look like a bunch of disconnected light and dark patches instead of one solid creature. This visual trickery is crucial for avoiding trouble when a leopard could be lurking behind any tree. But wait, there's more! Those stripes might have another cool job. Some scientists reckon these unique patterns, different for each Okapi like a human fingerprint, also act as follow me signals. In the dim forest light, it's easier for a young Okapi calf to keep an eye on its mom by focusing on those super visible stripes. So, it's a dual-purpose design. Camouflage from danger and a beacon for family. That makes the Okapi stripes a truly amazing adaptation. It's not just about hiding, it's about surviving in lots of clever ways. Their velvety fur is also dense and oily, which is pretty handy for repelling water and staying dry in that constantly damp rainforest. So these aren't just pretty patterns. They're a sophisticated toolkit vital for navigating the dangers and complexities of rainforest life. The Okapi literally paints itself out of danger with its own skin, a true master of disguise. Alright, let's talk about a piece of biological engineering that make any multi-tool jealous. The Okapi's tongue. This isn't just any old tongue, it's a super-powered prehensile marvel that can be up to an incredible 18 inches or 45 centimeters long, just like its cousin, the giraffe. The Okapi uses this amazing organ to reach food other plant eaters can only dream about. Imagine trying to grab the tastiest, youngest leaves from high branches, or delicately pluck fruits and buds off thorny bushes. For the Okapi, that's just another Tuesday, all thanks to its long, flexible, and surprisingly strong tongue. It can expertly wrap around branches, stripping them of leaves with amazing precision. This lets the Okapi be a really picky eater, choosing from over 100 different types of plants to make sure it gets the best grub available. But this awesome tongue isn't just for mealtime. Its crazy length and dexterity mean the Okapi can use it for personal grooming in ways most other animals can only dream of. Seriously, it's long enough for the Okapi to clean his own eyes and even his big sensitive ears. That's a huge plus in a dense forest where bugs and dirt could easily cause irritation or infection. Think of it as a built-in washcloth and fly swatter, all in one. The tongue's dark blue, almost black color is another thing it shares with giraffes. Why so dark? Well, the exact reason isn't totally clear. Maybe it offers some protection from sunburn while they're munching away. This incredible organ really shows how specialized an animal can become to nail its niche. It's not just about reaching food, it's about foraging efficiently, staying clean, and showing off a level of biological multitasking that's truly mind-blowing. The Okapi's tongue is key to unlocking a varied menu and staying comfy in his jungle home. A genuine survival hack that serves it well, mouthful after mouthful, day in and day out. It's a constant reminder that in nature, even the weirdest looking features can have some seriously practical purposes. Now for what might be the Okapi's boldest survival hack, its daredevil diet. This gentle-looking herbivore actually has a taste for danger, regularly munching on plants known to be toxic, even poisonous to many other animals, humans included. How on earth does it pull off this risky dining habit without getting sick? This is where the Okapi's internal chemistry and some unique behaviors kick in, turning what could be a major problem into a clever advantage. By being able to process or neutralize stuff that would scare off other browsers, the Okapi gets access to a huge food source that not many competitors can touch. This seriously cuts down on the competition for food in the busy rainforest. It chows down on an amazing variety: leaves, buds, shoots, stems, fruits, ferns, and fungi from over 100 different plant species. While scientists are still figuring out the exact ways it detoxifies all these plants, one fascinating thing Okapis do is eat clay and even charcoal. It's thought that the clay, often found near riverbeds, helps to bind with the toxins in their food, neutralizing them before they get absorbed into the bloodstream. Plus, the clay provides important salts and minerals that might be missing from their leafy diet. Charcoal is also known for its absorptive powers and could help deal with plant poisons. This deliberate eating of non-food items called geophagy shows a pretty sophisticated level of self-medication, don't you think? And like other ruminants, the Okapi has a 4-chambered stomach, which helps it efficiently digest tough plant material. While we're still learning about their internal detox systems, like specialized liver enzymes, their ability to thrive on such a varied and often risky menu is undeniable. This fearless approach to food isn't just a quirk, it's a critical survival strategy that lets the Okapi flourish where others might struggle, truly earning its title as a rainforest survivor. It just goes to show that sometimes the boldest choices bring the biggest rewards, especially when it comes to finding dinner in the competitive world of the forest. So the Okapi, with its dazzling stripes for sneaky camouflage, its incredibly versatile prehensile tongue, and its gutsy appetite for potentially toxic plants, is way more than just a pretty face in the rainforest. Each of these hacks is a product of millions of years of evolution, shaping a creature perfectly suited to the unique challenges and opportunities of the Ituri Forest. These aren't just random cool traits, they're all connected parts of a sophisticated survival machine, allowing the Okapi to dodge predators, find all sorts of food, and keep competition to a minimum. It really is a living, breathing example of nature's incredible ingenuity. Which of the Okapi's survival hacks blows your mind the most? Is it the deceptive stripes, that superpowered tongue, or its toxic meal plan? Let us know what you think in the comments below. And if you're as fascinated by the secret lives of amazing animals as we are, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more wild adventures.